Ukuba a timer simply means taking responsibility and being present for incosi zakho. Track lethu la vandaag likathi TPLR libizwa Iligolwa, ufeature uCitizen LS noNgwane Mutuna, liproduce uChef Shengu noFlash Cortez. Shoot manje kule track leli maliqala liqala ngebeat nje esomba. Shoot manje usomba is like lithulile yabo liphansi likhombisa ukukhathala nyana, you understand? Shuthi it already sets the tone for what is about to be spoken about lana. And Iligolwa is basically ibhunguka singasho njalo yabo. Umjida uringa ngetimer ukuthi lishiye ingosi zalo emadladleni, lashiya nomfazi, and no, umfazi is left to fend for the kids on her own. And umjida, well, singasho sethu sejozo ruvava uyospan, you understand? It's almost the same case nasemalokishi where we have parents that span boma emakhishini or span boma kuphi kuphi and transport yamkhawatha for them to come back etadleni, and they essentially have to spend isikhathi sabo ngala espanini. So it's a reminder. It says ukuthi don't stay far away from incosi zakho, because incosi zidinga isandla, you understand, asomzali, to be present and ensure ukuthi they grow up in the right manner. Always remember abantu bashiye emuva and ukuthi basakudinga bayakukhumbula, you understand, go back and raise them. So in that sense itrack likhumbuza nawo wonke umjida or ngaba ubani ukuthi mhlambe unencosi and they're not taking care of the child or whatever, to take your responsibility, because lo muntu akazilethanga emhlabeni uze ngesenzo yabo or ngesenzo sabantu ababili, where both those people need to ensure ukuthi baba present. So nje in a sense it's a reminder and a good one. It's really necessary, especially in the times esiphila kuzo, where people or kids can go astray due to not having isandla somzali empilweni zabo. Yeah, and we just like to advise umuntu to go and listen to it for themselves, like go back and yabo pick up mhlawumbe ama-quotables if you ever uyawacova from the song, and yeah, give on their honest opinion. So sizongena ku-rating yethu yavandaag ke. For i-rhythm i-track lithola u-25%, you know, because it's not a dancing song. It needs you to just sit down and unwind, ulalele. So it gets a 25. Bese size ku-lyrical content, since kuyinto okukuthi is really relevant, sizogaya another 25%. It's really sick, it's on point. And then sizongena ku-production, you know, uChef Shengu ke I really outdoes himself every time aspana nomjida. And then Hadiwodwa Cortez, there's really nothing to say about umjida. I think most to sastave sponsor ke kubo Malume Vector, God rest his soul, nabo Lizwe naye futhi vye ngathi angalala ngokuthula, and abo Sanere uyangithola sponsor ke nje sinye senzima kabi. So it's not really something to be debated. It gets a 25%. Bese size ku arrangement ye track lonke, nakhona sizogaya u-25%, because these elements ukuhlanganisa production emergency, lyrical content ngamjida, and understanding ye task ukuthi project i-track man bafuna ukuthi livaye kanjani, it really blended well and it's really sick from start to finish. So nakhona soika 25 in a sense nje i-track irisha ngo-114 ezilokishi, but njengoba sihlala sisho, if umuntu ene-opinion yakhe they can go listen to it, abuye azositshela, and yeah, just spread vibes, i-track available kuma-DSP. Danko means thank you, asibonge.